Welcome to your dream home. This single-story, spacious 3-bedroom, den, 2-bathroom sanctuary is filled with luxurious upgrades and thoughtful features. The backyard is custom designed with mature trees and lush landscaping, perfect for low-maintenance enjoyment and entertaining. Hashtag modern upgrades. Move-in ready with a recently installed top-of-the-line air conditioning and heating system for worry-free comfort and peace of mind. Gourmet Kitchen. The remodeled custom kitchen features Frigidaire Professional separate freezer refrigerator set, a massive 58-inch by 150-inch center island with cabinets on both sides, a 36-inch Jenn Air 6-burner gas range and GE microwave convection oven, a beverage center with its own refrigerator, ideal for entertaining, granite countertops throughout for easy maintenance and elegant aesthetics, a separate butler's pantry laundry area with additional storage, and a stacked LG front-load washer-dryer included. Inviting family room. The family room includes custom built-ins, an electric fireplace with a gas line and vent still in place behind, custom drapes and mini recessed lighting, spacious enough for a pool table setup. Shop outdoor living. Step outside to the copper-screened lanai patio, 9 by 15 teen, where you and your pets can enjoy the outdoors in comfort, featuring built-in bench seating with storage, ideal for gardening and barbecue supplies. Quality finishes. All rooms feature hand-scraped laminate flooring, new 5-inch high baseboards, and overhead fans. Hobbyist Dream Garage. The insulated garage, equipped with cabinets and worktops, is a hobbyist's dream. Currently set up as a woodworking shop on one side, providing the perfect space for pursuing your passion projects. Schedule your appointment today to see all that this meticulously designed and maintained home has to offer.